Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We're taking a look at this coach model HC7079, color code 93318Z. It's a gunmetal color frame. On the temples here we have the gunmetal color in metal, and the temple tip over here we have a coach logo in silver. This is the inside of the frame. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a pink gradient silver mirror color, and at the top left lens we have a coach logo in silver. This frame is Rexable, and the style of the frame is Fashion Pilot. Up here we have a coach case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.